Welcome back to MD Autos, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Crown, a vehicle that continues to blur the lines between sedan and crossover while delivering premium looks and impressive tech. Toyota is clearly betting big on the Crown nameplate again, and after spending time with this latest iteration, we can see why. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the Crown really separates itself from the rest of Toyota's sedan lineup. The 2026 model carries forward that distinct fastback profile we saw in the previous generation, but everything feels a bit sharper, more intentional. Up front, the Crown gets a redesigned grille, bolder, slightly more aggressive, and flanked by sleeker, adaptive LED headlights that wrap around the sides like a high-tech visor. The lower fascia has been revised with cleaner air intakes and smoother lines, making the front end look wider and more planted. The side profile is where the Crown's blend of sedan and SUV cues really comes through. It still rides higher than your typical full-size sedan, and with the 2026 refresh, Toyota has given it new 20-inch alloy wheel designs that look sportier and more premium. The blacked-out pillars and gently sloping roofline give it that floating roof look, and there's a tasteful character line that runs across the doors, subtly emphasizing its length and adding to the upscale vibe. At the rear, Toyota has updated the LED light bar with a slimmer, more continuous look. The integrated spoiler and sculpted bumper make the back end feel both futuristic and athletic. And overall, the color palette for 2026 includes a couple of fresh metallic shades and a two-tone roof option that really helps it stand out on the road. Toyota is clearly aiming for buyers who want luxury aesthetics without stepping into Lexus territory. Now, let's talk performance, because the 2026 Crown doesn't just look good, it delivers when you're behind the wheel too. There are two powertrain options again, starting with the 2.5-liter hybrid setup that's more about efficiency. But for drivers looking for more punch, the real headline is still the Hybrid Max system. It pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with dual electric motors, producing a combined 340 horsepower. That's more than enough to move this elevated sedan with confidence. In daily driving, the Hybrid Max Crown feels responsive, with plenty of torque on tap for highway merging and spirited backroad driving. Toyota's all-wheel drive system now features an updated torque vectoring setup that improves cornering stability, and the steering is more precise than in previous models. Toyota also revised the suspension tuning for 2026, and it shows. There's a noticeable reduction in body roll, and the ride quality balances comfort and control well, even over rougher pavement. Acceleration from 0 to 60 lands in the mid 5-second range with the Hybrid Max, which puts it ahead of many competitors in its class. Braking is strong and confident, and thanks to regenerative braking, the Crown maintains Toyota's focus on efficiency. Expect around 30 mpg combined with the more powerful setup and over 40 mpg with the standard hybrid configuration. Now, a quick look at the interior, and it's just as refined as the outside. The 2026 model brings small but meaningful updates. You'll find a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster paired with an equally sized infotainment screen. The graphics are crisp, the interface is quick, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. There's a new interior color theme this year, a deep navy blue mixed with satin chrome accents, that adds a modern, premium feel. The seating is spacious for both front and rear passengers. Toyota uses a mix of synthetic leather and soft-touch materials that feel genuinely upscale. Heated and ventilated seats are available up front, and the driver's seat features memory settings and power adjustment. In terms of noise insulation, the Crown remains one of the quietest Toyotas available, making highway cruising serene and comfortable. That's our full look at the 2026 Toyota Crown. With its unique styling, improved driving dynamics, and solid tech, this model continues to redefine what a flagship Toyota sedan can be. Thanks for watching MD Autos, and be sure to subscribe for more real-world reviews just like this.